Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give your lashes a stunning boost. The L'Oréal Paris Makeup Telescopic Original Lengthening Mascara in the deepest Blackest Black. This mascara is designed to enhance your lashes with intense length and unique lash-by-lash separation, perfect for achieving that dramatic look we all desire. Ophthalmologist tested and allergy tested, it's also suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers, making it a versatile choice for a wide audience. Upon using the telescopic mascara, I found it incredibly easy to apply. The innovative brush allows for precise application, ensuring that each lash is coated without clumping. The formula glides on smoothly, and I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight it felt on my lashes. The design of the brush is truly unique, enabling me to reach even the tiniest lashes in the corners of my eyes, which can often be a challenge with other mascaras. In terms of performance, this mascara delivers as promised. I tested it throughout the day, and I was impressed with its staying power. It not only lengthened my lashes beautifully, but also provided excellent separation, giving them a natural yet striking appearance. I noticed that my lashes remained lifted and defined, without any smudging or flaking, even after a long day. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the plus side, the telescopic mascara excels in providing length and separation, is easy to apply, and is suitable for sensitive eyes. However, it might not provide as much volume as some users might prefer, especially if you're looking for that full, thick lash effect. Comparatively, I found that other mascaras, like the Maybelline Lash Sensational or the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, offer more volume but can't quite match the lengthening prowess of the L'Oréal Telescopic. The price point is quite competitive, especially considering the quality and performance, making it a great option for both drugstore and high-end mascara enthusiasts. When it comes to value for money, this mascara stands out. For its price, you're getting a reliable product that doesn't compromise on quality. The build quality feels solid, and the materials used in the formula are designed to keep your lashes looking their best without causing irritation. User-friendliness is a highlight with this product. The sleek design and precise applicator make it easy for anyone to achieve that sought-after look, whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro. In terms of customer support, L'Oréal has a good reputation for responding promptly to inquiries, which is always reassuring when investing in beauty products. In real-world testing, I applied this mascara during a busy day out, including errands and a lunch date. It held up beautifully, giving me confidence that my eyes would look fabulous all day long. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us bring you more great content. As for the final verdict, I wholeheartedly recommend the L'Oréal Paris Makeup Telescopic Original Lengthening Mascara. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their lash game. Ideal for everyday wear or special occasions, it truly delivers on its promises. This mascara is perfect for those who appreciate length over volume, making it particularly suitable for beginners and those with shorter lashes. If you're looking for something more volumizing, there are cheaper alternatives like the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, which still provides a beautiful effect without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to grab your own L'Oréal Paris Telescopic Mascara in the description and comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts if you've tried it. I'd love to hear what you think.